In today's video, what we're going to do is show you how to link your character AI with Discord. So, the first thing you want to do is on character.ai, you want to make sure you're logged into your account, and then you want to click bottom left here, you want to go to settings, and then you want to click join community. You then want to click link account and then join. After this, you'll see this Discord link. Unless you're not already signed in to your Discord account, make sure you sign in so that you can then click authorize to the correct Discord account. You'll then receive a message stating that you have created the character.ai link and that you've been added to the character.ai server. Here you can then see everything for the character AI server, and you can go through the different channels to learn about all the things character AI. If this video helped you out in any sort of way, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.